Good morning, friends. I'm going on a road trip. I am so excited.
She's Lola. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So I know with most people when they go on vacation, they plan a destination and they go there. So you ask them, where are you going on vacation? And they'll tell you, oh, Florida or California or wherever they're going. Well, that's not how this trip is going to be. There's a whole bunch of little destinations. I'm not necessarily going to just one place. I'm going a lot of places. So I'm really excited. It's going to be a great road trip, I hope. So my first destination of this trip is breakfast. I am at this Fine Pit Grill restaurant in New Boston, Texas. It is just one of those dives, and it's so good. Vicki and I ate here several years ago, and ever since then, anytime we're on our way through Texas down I-30, we always stop at this restaurant. It is packed full this morning. It's Saturday about 8:30 in the morning, so I guess that's why. So, sitting here in their parking lot, I just called in a to-go order. So I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to head down the street to a park and have some breakfast. So I asked Google Maps to take me to the nearest city park, and it did. So this is just the little New Boston City Park. There's some picnic tables that are even covered, but it's a little chilly out, a little damp. I'm just going to eat in the van, but I got my yummy Fine Pit cooking. I'll show you what I got. Got a couple of scrambled eggs, some hash browns, and some white toast. Yum. Go not keto. Not long after breakfast there in New Boston, I made it to the Arkansas border and stopped here at the Arkansas Travel Center. They gave me a little Arkansas map and a sticker. Arkansas, a natural state. So I'm going to be spending my day here in this beautiful state of Arkansas. I just love this state. The people are really friendly, and it's just beautiful here. So looking forward to it. Kind of wishing this weather would clear up, though. It's just kind of windy and wet. But can't rain all the time, right? That's what the crow says. So I was just driving down this side highway here because I just went down and found a geocache in a cemetery and crossed over this bridge, and I had to turn around and come back. I got to show you this. So this is the Little Missouri River. So this might actually be a great place to spend the night if you wanted to. There are no signs saying you cannot spend the night here. Cool. I'm not going to, but you could. Now check this out. There's the boat ramp right there. Didn't take much to put your boat in today. Wow, that's a lot of water. It's been wet. So I was just chatting with those very nice people that pulled up. They're locals, and they said that this is really high, but they have seen it higher. They said they've seen it all the way up to this sign. Yeah, that would be really high. And they reminded me of something. I heard about this when it happened a while back. There was a campground that flooded, and it washed away 17 people. Campers, trailers, tents, the whole nine. So they were telling me, careful where you camp tonight. Check that water. And I'm like, I wonder if the place I am planning on camping tonight is on the water. Oh, goodness. So that brings me to the way I'm doing this. So most times when I go on these road trips, I just kind of go and find a place to stay wherever I am, whenever I'm ready to stop. Well, I had to do it a little differently this time for a couple of reasons. I'm going a lot of miles, and I need to get a lot of places. And so if you're boondocking, sometimes it might take you hours to find a suitable place. And I decided I'd rather know I have a spot to go to and just go. And that way I can lollygag my day away and not have to worry about hurry up and get there. So that was the plan. So I actually made reservations, y'all. I never do that. But I did this time. We're just going to see how it works. If it doesn't work out, if I get to a place that I've already reserved and paid for, and I don't like it, I can still leave. There's nothing stopping me. So that's the plan. But yeah, I didn't really think about whenever I was making reservations months ago that it might be flooding. You know, that's one thing about planning ahead is you can't plan for the weather. Anyway, I'm sure it'll be fine, right? Yeah, fine. I'm going to Little Rock. I think there's a, river there. Like I said, if this place didn't work out, I'll move on. So I'm actually only about 2 hours from my final destination. And it's not even noon yet. So, yeah, back to lollygagging. Another problem, though, I would go do more geocaching, but I'm not going down dirt roads today. No siree. So I stopped for another geocache. You can hear the highway right there. You actually can't access from the highway, so I had to drive down a bunch of back roads to get here. But what a cute cemetery. Check out these markers. They're very, very unique. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like that. And if I'm not mistaken, the geocache is me right there in that tree. Are you a geocache? No, you're a rock. Oh, how cute. Look how cute. I'm gonna leave that there for the next guy, but that is so cute. Is there a geo behind it? No? Huh. Anywho, alright. Upon further investigation, it was right in there. It's this little tiny geo. So I will try to put that right back in front of it where it was. Check out how the moss has grown on these, just these two right here. That is neat. Well, that was fun and worth the stop. Very cool. So I just got gas and I went across the street here to this Family Dollar. And I always like to ask the locals, so is this a nice area? Because I mean, I'm right down the street from where I'm camping. She said, well, I mean, it's not as bad as some, but it's definitely better than others. I'm like, okay. She said, well, let's put it this way. This is the only Family Dollar that hasn't gotten robbed in this area. Okay. So, will you be safe? She said, I will. I just don't think they rob us because of the school across the street. They have cameras. Okay. Well, whatever keeps you safe. Alright, I'm going to go back to the campground now and chill. Oh, yeah. Yep, found the river alright. Gee whiz. Yeah, it's full. Some guys fishing. It's definitely overflowing its banks big time. So after a little exploring, a little deducing, I figured out Burns Park is an old military park. I think I already knew that. A little bit of information about the controlled burns I do here. And yeah, this was my clue. So yeah, if I see any old explosives, I will back away. Recognize, retreat, and report. It's pretty funny. Alrighty, I just checked in here at Burns Park Campground. This is in North Little Rock. It's kind of a city park. Now when I called to get a reservation, the guy that answered the phone was so nice. He said, oh, you can pay me now, you can pay me when you get here, it doesn't matter. So I said, okay, I'll pay you when I get there. So I did. He's like, oh yeah, I've got your name here, and he gave me my map and my little packet, had a place, my name on it. How nice. It's like a small town campground in a big city, but yeah, it's pretty full, very lovely. Let's go see what we got. Campsite 22. Alright, well, I mean, it is what it is. It's a little city park. It's pretty dang cute though. That is definitely my favorite site, and that is one awesome little rig. Hope that guy will Let me take a look at it. That's so cute. Man, I could do that. Now this one's pretty cute too, and it fits in a small space, but it's got, you know, the whole slide out thing going on. I don't want anything quite that luxurious, I don't think. But that, yeah, that. So I am just going to chill here at the campground and make some food tonight. I don't think I'm going to bother with a campfire or anything. It's just so wet, so I'm going to go to bed early anyway, and get up and go exploring some more tomorrow. I'm super excited about tomorrow. I'm going to meet up with I'm Not Chuck and his lovely wife Glenda. We're going to meet for lunch on my way to my next campground. So hopefully that will all work out as well as this one did. Like I said, I know with reserving them, I'm going to end up in places like this where there's neighbors. But as long as they're awesome neighbors like that, I don't mind. Like I said, all I did all day was explore. I'm just going to spend a little bit of time here before it gets dark anyway. So I'm going to enjoy it though while I'm here. Quite lovely. Quite lovely. So I hope whatever you guys are doing, you are having a fabulous weekend too. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Have fun doing it. There's little Pat enjoying his evening. He loves camping. Anyway, I am going to get some dinner thrown on the grill. I just checked the weather. I think we're clear for a couple hours. So I'm going to throw some chicken and a baked potato on and call it dinner. Well, I hope wherever you guys are, you are having a great night too. Y'all stay lost, wow, that's cool. Be more cardinal.